Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll see derivative of function z, and as we know that this z is a complex function, or I can say that complex variable. So here let w is equal to f of z. So always w is equal to f of z is nothing but a complex function. Let this is a w here. W is equal to f of z be a single valued function of the variable z is equal to x plus iy. Then the derivative of w is equal to f of z is defined to be dw upon dz, that is w with respect to z. Derivative of w with respect to z is equal to, which is also denoted as f dash of z, also is nothing but limit f of z plus delta z minus f of z divided by delta z, where delta z tends to 0. So this is a derivative of the given function f of z. Here function w is equal to f of z is called analytic at z is equal to z naught, where this z naught is neighborhood point. Analytic function is also called a regular function or one more name, holomorphic function. So if function is differentiable, if given complex function, if it is differentiable, then we can say that the given function is analytic at a point z naught, that is neighborhood point, and also the analytic function having what here, one more name, that is a regular function, or also it is nothing but what here, holomorphic function. So with the help of this derivative of function f of z, we'll see the details of analytic function and the remaining properties. Now we'll see analytic function and connected theorems. A complex valued function w is equal to f of z is said to be analytic at a point z is equal to z naught if derivative of w with respect to z, that is dw by dz, is equal to, which is also f dash of z equal to limit of f of z plus delta z minus f of z whole divided by delta z, as delta z tends to 0, exist and is unique at z naught and in the neighborhood of z naught. Means if this partial derivative, means this derivative exists with respect to z, then we call the given function is analytic. So here further, f of z is said to be analytic in a region if it is analytic at every point of the region. Means we have a region So in that region, if for example I will take the region here and the z is a point here. So anywhere if in the region, if any z0, z1, z2, z3, z4, so many points are there. So in this point it should, if it is every point if satisfies, then we can say that this z is what here, analytic. Also f of z is analytic at a point z0 if it is differentiable at z0 and in the neighborhood of z0. Means here I can say that if it is differentiable, then it is what here, analytic. And in a more other way I can say that if it is not differentiable, then you can conclude that the given function is not analytic, or the given point z is not unique at the point z0 or neighborhood points here. So overall, a function is said to be analytic if it is differentiable. If the function is differentiable, then we can say that the given function is what here we are going to call this analytic. And once again I will repeat that an analytic function is also called a regular function or holomorphic function. So these are the few basic criteria as well as the analytic function details we have seen now. So based on this we have connected theorems. So what all those theorems we'll see in our next lecture.